Welcome to the REDATS channel. My name is Hubert, and today I will show you how to correctly calibrate the scale in the REDATS A-120 automatic transmission oil change device. Enjoy watching. To calibrate the device, we need to prepare a 4mm Allen key, a 10mm open-end wrench, and a weight of about 1 or 2 kilograms. In our case, this will be several wheel balancing weight strips taped together with a total weight of exactly 1 kilogram. We start by turning on the device. We check that there is no oil in the tanks. For calibration, both tanks must be empty. We move to the rear panel of the device. We need to loosen the 4mm Allen screw to access the tanks. The rear cover can be completely removed for easier access. Now, using a 10mm wrench, we loosen the screw under the tank, slide out the weight tray, and tighten the screw. We do the same under the second tank. We can now proceed to the calibration. We navigate to the last system settings option using the plus and minus buttons and press OK. We then go to the last option, electronic scale calibration. To enter this option, we need to hold the OK button for about 5 seconds. Now we can choose between calibrating the new oil tank and calibrating the used oil tank. We start with option 1, calibration of the new oil tank. We press OK. We are now at the first stage. The machine informs us that the tank must be empty before proceeding to the next stage, and it also asks us to set the weight of the calibration load. As I mentioned earlier, I have exactly 1 kilogram here, so I enter this value into the machine and press OK. The second stage is placing the weight on the tray that was previously pulled out behind the tank. Since we are calibrating the new oil scale, we place the weight behind the tank on the side of the machine's power switch. We wait until the value stabilizes. At this time, we do not move the device or lean on it. Once the value has stabilized, we press OK. The scale for the new oil tank is now calibrated. We can remove the weight. We repeat the same procedure for the used oil tank scale. We move to option 2, calibration of the used oil tank. We press OK. Here, just like before, we check the set value. We have 1 kilogram, make sure the tank is empty, and press OK. Next, we place the weight on the tray behind the second tank. We wait until the scale stabilizes and press OK. We remove the weight and can proceed to the verification. We press back and go to the first option. Both tanks show 0 liters. We place the weight on the tray behind the new oil tank. The display shows a value of 1.2 liters. This is the correct value for a 1 kilogram weight. It is worth keeping in mind that 1 liter of automatic transmission oil weighs approximately 0.8 to 0.9 kilograms. We remove the weight. It should display 0 liters. That's correct. We do the same for the second tank. We place the weight on the tray behind the used oil tank. It also shows 1.2 liters. We remove the weight. It should display 0 liters. That's correct. We can now reassemble the machine. We loosen the screws for the trays, slide them back under the tanks, and tighten the screws. Next, we reinstall the rear cover in its place. Tighten the screw, and the machine is ready for operation. After performing the calibration this way, you can be sure that the machine is operating correctly and providing accurate readings. If you're interested in content about workshop machines, visit our channel, where you'll find more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates.